In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account. This process will not only provide you with access to Gmail, but also give you a Google account that unlocks a vast range of Google services. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Google sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Create Account. Click on it. As you proceed, you'll be asked to choose the type of account you're trying to set up. You have the choice of creating an account for your personal use, something for your child, or even one for work or business purposes. Make your selection based on your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. This will be displayed whenever you use your Google account, so make sure it's something you're comfortable with. After entering your name, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your birthday and specify your gender. Google uses this information to personalize your experience, so make sure to input accurate details. Once you're done, click Next. The next step is crucial, as you'll need to choose a unique username. This will serve as your Gmail address, so try to pick something both memorable and professional, especially if you plan to use this account for work. If your chosen username is already taken, Google will provide suggestions, or you can come up with a different one on your own. After selecting a username, you'll have to create a strong password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account's security. After setting a password, it's time to click Next once again. You're getting close to finishing your setup. Google might ask you to verify your email address. This step is important as it adds an extra layer of security. You'll receive a code in your email. Simply enter that code as instructed on the screen. Moving on, you have the option to provide recovery information such as a phone number or an alternate email address. While this step is optional, it can be a lifesaver in case you ever get locked out of your account. So it might be a good idea to add these details. Finally, you'll need to agree to Google's terms and privacy policy. It's always recommended to read these, but if you're ready to proceed, check the box to agree and follow any remaining on-screen instructions. This might include some final preference settings. And just like that, you've successfully created your Gmail account. You're now ready to enjoy all of the benefits this account brings, from emailing to accessing numerous Google services. Happy emailing!